Hey guys, welcome to the channel and thanks for watching Kenisthis. Today guys on the channel we'll be making candied bacon. First we're going to start off with getting a baking pan and baking rack. Then we're going to put our bacon on the rack, making sure that all the bacon is on the rack and not hanging off. Next we're going to grab our black pepper and sprinkle it on the bacon. Then we're going to grab some light brown sugar and using a bowl and spoon, sprinkle some on top of the bacon. Then using the back of the spoon, spread the brown sugar on the bacon, making sure to fill in any spots that you missed. And there it is, the bacon is now prepped and ready to go in the oven. We are now going to preheat the oven for 350 degrees. After preheating, we're going to then put the bacon in the oven for 10 minutes. Alright, it's been 10 minutes and let's check out the bacon. The bacon is half cooked, and what I like to do during this time is just shake off any excess grease and adjust the bacon to fit on the pan evenly. We are now going to put the bacon back in the oven for 15 minutes. Alright guys, check it out. To be honest guys, after those 15 minutes, I didn't think the bacon looked as cooked as I like it, so I put it in for an additional 5 minutes. And there you go, that looks a lot better. I didn't want to cook the bacon too long to run the risk of burning it, but you can cook it longer for your desired char. After about 10 minutes of letting it cool, I decided to try some. Yum. Last, I placed the bacon on a plate with paper towels to absorb some of the excess grease. Bon appetit! Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. My name is Ken. Thanks for watching Kenisthis, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.